guys, what's happening? It's about 10 here at night. I'm just waiting for a video to load, and I'm just unpacking some hardware here that I went and bought today. And holy cow, man, I cannot believe how much money this is. Just what's in here. I'm gonna have to show you guys this is insane. And all this kind of stuff is the stuff that just never gets accounted for, really. I got two boxes here. It's pretty heavy though. I mean, there is a fair bit of stuff, but most of this stuff just basic grade 8 hardware, you know. Got a few T-bolts or carriage bolts, whatever you want to call them. Got some lock washers. Got some flat washers. Just going to kind of go through this a little bit quick because it'll be probably a boring video. Oh, I got some zip ties too. More lock washers. More lock washers. These look like they are 3/8 fine thread. Flat washers. I kind of like getting some of these because they're bigger, a little bit bigger diameter. I don't like getting the recommended, you know, the typical size that are supposed to be for the bolts. A lot of times the washer is not big enough. I've got these nuts here. These are kind of nice. These are actually 12 mil, I think. These ones here, more of an automotive nut. Got some of these. These are metric, and I didn't even realize they actually carried these here. They got the nice, I don't know what you want to call it, the flange on the head here, like a built-in washer. See, actually pretty nice. I don't even know what I paid for these things, but I go through, you know, a fair bit of this kind of stuff. Some more metric stuff here. I think these are 8 mil. More metric stuff. Metric. More metric. More metric with these type of bolts again here. So that's one box. Just your typical flat washer, 3/8 lock washers. And then I picked up some of these. Some of these washers here, these are like 2.5 or so inches wide. Just a little bit ones here that are smaller. These are good when you're doing like body mounts. They're real thick too, or any kind of thing like that. More lock nuts. Lots of lock nuts. And where we're at, it's called the Bolt Supply House. I'm not sure if that's is that a U.S. company? I would imagine. Doesn't say. Doesn't say, but I would say that's probably what it is. What else do we got here? 5/16. I've got 100 of these. 3/8. Another 100 of these. Some lock washers. 3/8 is lock washers. 100 of these. I've got 100 of 3/8 1 inch right here. I've got what is this, 5/16? Yeah, 5/16 lock washers. And then I've got another 100 of 3/8 by 1.5 right here. So I'm going to see if you guys can guess how much is here, what this would have cost me. See what you guys think, how good you are. Or if anybody's familiar with this, buying this much hardware here. Alright, I'm going to flip. So here it is. This is what I got here, see? Okay. Right here, got the washers. This is just your typical grade 8 hardware here, most of all this stuff. Bag of zip ties. Some more lock washers. These are metric. Got some more lock nuts here, 3/8 lock nuts. I think these are 7/16 lock nuts. And then these are 12 mil. Here's some 8 mil. And I got, see, like some of these washers here. So basically, there you have it. That's what it is. Kind of hard to see everything here maybe, but there. What do you guys think this stuff costs? Now I'm just going to step back here a little bit. See, that's all there is basically. That's it, that's all. Leave a note in the comments. Let me know what you guys think this costs, and then I will let you guys know. I'll reply back. I'll let you guys know how much this cost me. And see how good you are. But yeah, I'm just unpacking this here now. And video should be done loading here probably in the next few minutes, and then I can get that done and then go home. But yeah, I want to get this, got to get all these organized here. Like I got a lot of bins here and stuff, right? A lot of bins, but never have the stuff you need, man. I'm telling you, it's frustrating. I could have 500 times more of what I got here, and I still wouldn't have something that I need, you know. There's lots of specialty stuff. I wish these places would carry more and more automotive type stuff, you know. Because that's the stuff that's kind of hard to find, but I'm kind of glad they're starting to carry this kind of stuff here, but they only, I think they only had the metric in this style. Because I do use these, eh. That's kind of nice to have. So, anyways, there you go, guys. I'm going to leave it at that, and let me know what you think. Alright, guys. Talk to you later. Have a good night. Hey, guys. If there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.